Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
The hibiscus is a flowering plant that comes from tropical Asia. It has attractive, oval and glossy leaves. Although it is considered a short-lived plant, it can grow for years. They are available in white, pink, red, yellow and orange colors. Some flowers are single, some semi-double with more than one layer of petals, and others are fully double. Hibiscus plant is available in different sizes. Its usual height is 15 to 30 centimeters. The flowers appear from late spring through summer. It flourishes in warm conditions. Winter season is its resting period. To improve its shape, cut it back in March. In winter, continue feeding, watering and misting to get a larger plant that blooms all year. Use a soil-based potting mixture and report it during March. Water generously and regularly during the growing season. Reduce the amount of watering in winter. It needs sunlight, especially during the growing season. Feed with a liquid fertilizer at half strength during the growing period. Its suitable temperature is above 18 centigrade during the growing season. The winter temperature must be between 10 to 15 centigrade. Set this plant in a bright floral china pot matching the color of its flowers.
Thanks for watching.